So I've been looking at standing desks lately.
Oh, really? I've been wanting to get one of those.
I'm just worried, because what if my feet get tired?
Have you tried sitting?
I was looking at this one, and it has all these extra features, like a standing mat for your feet, and a cable management tray, a coat rack, and windshield wipers in case you spill anything, even a smaller standing desk for your dog.
Doesn't that seem like a waste of money?
Money is meant to be spent.
Why not save up?
Saving money is a scam. You gotta put the money back into the economy or it doesn't work.
Well, putting money back into the economy is a scam.
Ugh, it's covered in boogies.
What is it?
It's a calendar.
Hold on, let me see that. Oh, crap. It's Kix's birthday today.
Who's Kix?
What do you mean? Our Kix?
Oh, don't tell Kix.
What are you talking about? What are we gonna do for their birthday? We gotta get a new door.
Where are the doors for the poor?
I think I might know a place. That's the danger of LEDs. They make you forget.
Oh, makes sense. But why can't dogs eat chocolate?
What do you mean?
Because you know they'd like it, but they can't have it.
Are there not things that we like that would kill us?
No.
Oh, we're here.
Why, hello. Welcome to the Door Store. I have a feeling I know what you're here for. But I must warn you, this store is not what it seems to begin with and to start. There are many, many strange things within the doors of the store. And you must tread carefully within the bowels of this establishment, yes?
So yeah, I think I'm gonna get the wipers.
That's a waste of money.
Hi,
Okay.
Kix. Happy birthday?